pretty excited about these actually. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Lose Weight Sarah, where I'm on a mission to lose 100 pounds my way. It is Sunday. It is normally a live stream day for me, but I will actually be celebrating Thanksgiving today. So since I could not be with you all today, I wanted to give you just a fun little tag video. I was tagged by my good friends Nikki and Gerard over at Too Fat, Too Furious. Please go check out their channel. They are just so fun to watch. They are a couple on a weight loss journey, and they were sweet enough to tag me in their latest tag video with some get to know you type questions. I thought this would be a good opportunity. I don't normally do tag videos, but I figured what the heck, since I don't have too much else going on, I will go ahead and do this, especially since I've got, a bunch of new subscribers lately. If you're new to the fam, be sure to introduce yourself in the comments below. I would love to connect with you and get to know you and support you on your journey as well. Before we get into the tag video, I do want to let you know that another YouTube friend of mine, Jess Kaplan, will be hosting a live stream to kind of fill in for caffeine and calories since it's not going on today. Please go to her channel as well. Jump on her live stream. It'll be at 11 a.m. Eastern time. That way everybody can get their support and get together and have a good time. And I know Jess is going to do a great job filling in that gap so everybody gets their weekly dose of positivity. All right, so let's get into the this or that questions. I'm pretty excited about these actually. Okay, so the first question is Netflix or Amazon Prime? I'm actually gonna say Amazon Prime. And really that's because Netflix has kind of been sucking lately. I hate to say that because I've had Netflix pretty much forever, but there's just not really anything on there now that I have Disney Plus and Amazon Prime. I feel like the better shows are all on those platforms and not really on Netflix anymore. So yeah, I'm gonna say Amazon Prime. Especially just like Too Fat, Too Furious, I am a big fan of The Boys. That is an awesome show. Just crazy. It's got an amazing story and I'm a big fan. So definitely, yeah, for sure, Amazon Prime. The next question is dog or cat? And this is actually really funny because I am actually a cat person. I love cats. I think they're great little companions, but I don't have one. I have two dogs. And I always joke around with my husband. I say, I'm not a dog person, you are, but yet the dogs love me the most. I don't know why, but I do love my dogs. I have a German Shepherd Border Collie mix. His name is Buster. And then you guys have seen him on my live stream a few times. I have a Pomeranian whose name is Chewbacca. Next question is Facebook or Twitter. And I wish we were allowed to answer neither. Facebook is something that has just become kind of toxic lately. I don't know what it is. I find myself being more annoyed when I'm on Facebook. The two things that really hold me in there are my groups. So my Caffeine and Calories group, which is a weight loss support group that is spam free and just a fun, positive, uplifting place. And then I also am an admin of a Facebook group called Star Wars Memes Strikes Back. It is a huge Star Wars memes group. There are over 38,000 members in that group, so it's almost like a part-time job on the side. So I guess I'll say Facebook because even though I have Twitter, I almost never use it. I'm really bad about it. Sorry if you follow me on Twitter and get absolutely crickets. Next question is iOS or Android, and I have never ever in my life owned an Android device. I have always had Apple phones pretty much as long as I can remember. I've had an iPhone and that's just what I'm used to, so I'm gonna go with iOS. Next question on the list is what's worse, laundry or dishes? I am a bit of a control freak, so I have a very particular way that I get my laundry done. So I'm actually gonna say dishes. I hate touching dirty dishes, just gross. Ugh. I don't know, something about it, like wet food just freaks me out. Thank God we have a dishwasher, and normally I make my kids and my husband deal with all the dishes, especially since I'm the cook. Next we have bath or shower, and true story, baths like freak me out. I don't know why. You just couldn't pay me enough to sit in a bathtub full of my own water. I know that sounds so ridiculous, but for me, it is shower all the way. I don't do baths. Up next is glasses or contacts, and you guys have seen, I don't usually wear them, but I do have glasses. I really can't see too great without them. I tried contacts one time because I would prefer to not have to wear glasses. I tried contacts one time, and it's actually a really funny story. I was kind of loving them throughout the day. I got them in just fine. And then when it was nighttime and it was time to take them out, I could not get it out of my right eye. The contact was just like in there. And I started having a full-on panic attack that I was never gonna be able to get this contact out of my eye. In retrospect, it was really funny. At the time, it wasn't. I was freaking out completely. So from that day forward, I was like, I'll just stick with my glasses. Next, we have online shopping or in-store. And I'm definitely going to say that I like online shopping. I like not having to deal with other people. I know that sounds terrible too, but I would much rather just do a few clicks in my room by myself than have to go deal with other people out in the universe. I know that's so awful, and I really am actually a people person, but I don't know, I don't do crowds, I don't do, well, especially now with everything going on in the world, definitely don't want to do crowds. I'm much more of a homebody, and if I can do my shopping online, I'm gonna do it. I get my groceries delivered, I have Amazon Prime membership, I'm pretty much set. Next we have at the movies, do you get candy or popcorn? And I love, love, love movie theater popcorn. It's probably my favorite part of going to the movies. And I love that oil that they have that they call butter. I'm feeling pretty confident that it's not, it's just oil, but it tastes so good. All right, next is a really controversial topic. It is toilet paper. Over or under? So over is when the roll goes this way, right? So the toilet paper hangs this way. And then under is when the toilet paper goes this way. And Too Fat, Too Furious have a bet going on which one I pick. So here you go, guys. Here's my answer. I am an over person. And Nikki, just like you, it drives me crazy. If I am at somebody's house and their toilet paper is under, I will flip it around. And I know that's messed up, but I can't help it. It's like one of those things. It just drives me crazy. So yeah, definitely an over person. Next is cups in the cupboard. Upside down or right side up? And I guess right side up. I've never even thought about which way they go in. Isn't that funny? What a weird question, because I didn't know that putting them upside down was a thing even. Question 12 is pancakes or waffles? And this is such a tough choice, but I'm gonna be oddly specific and say Mickey waffles. If you've ever been to a Disney resort or theme park or anything like that, then you know what a Mickey waffle is, and you know that everybody freaking loves them. There's just something magical about a Mickey waffle. We're almost to the end of the list. This one is winter or summer, and I am a summer baby. My birthday is at the end of June, so big time. I love the summer. If I could change one thing about it, I would take away bugs, because I hate bugs, but I love everything else about the summer. I love the outdoors. I love going swimming. I love everything. Winter, really the only thing I like about it is the holidays. It's Thanksgiving and Christmas. Everything else can suck it. Okay, this next one seems like such a no-brainer to me, but it is fast internet at home or a week away to your favorite destination with no technology. Sign me up for vacation, as long as I can do it safely. I would much rather travel. If I was a rich girl, I would travel all the time and go to beautiful locations. There are so many places I want to see in the world. And if it meant going a week without any technology, I'd be like, peace out. Last but certainly not least is Coke or Pepsi. And I am a Pepsi girl all the way. In fact, my husband and I kind of joke that we are like soda snobs, because we will look down upon a restaurant if they serve Coke products and not Pepsi. Like, a restaurant that serves Pepsi is a better restaurant to us. It's absolutely ridiculous, and we were having a heated discussion with one of our friends one time at a restaurant, and like another table actually made fun of us, and we didn't even care. We're like, whatever, you don't know what you're talking about. Pepsi all the way. All right, now that the questions are over, it is time to tag some friends, and I have been friends with a lot of YouTube content creators for a long time, and I recently made some very new friends, so I am going to mix it up a little bit. I'm gonna tag 5 friends. You can tag as many as you want when you do your tag video, and my 5 tags are Life of Alicio, Heather K's Weight Loss, My Vegetable Life, Highway to Healthy, and Amber May Nelson. Those are all awesome content creators. Please be sure to go check out their channel and give them a thumbs up and subscribe. They are just really sweet people, and I think their tag videos will be super fun, and I look forward to seeing them sometime in the future. No pressure. I know everyone is busy this time of year. If you stuck around for this whole thing, wow, thank you. You rock. I really appreciate you. Was there anything that I chose that surprised you? Let me know in the comments below. And if this is your first time to my channel, again, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will follow along on my journey to lose 100 pounds and hit that subscribe button. So until next time, I'll see you real soon.